Hi everybody, today we're going to be talking about simplifying exponents. So the other day you did the laws of exponents, and you got a little sneak peek of simplifying, just applying the laws. Now, in reality, when you're simplifying exponents, it's not just going to be one law at a time. Sometimes there are going to be multiple laws that you have to use at once. So what we're going to spend today talking about is more how to go about and look for the laws that you can actually do first. The order, it doesn't matter. Y'all can do very different things, but at the same time it does. Like, you can't do one law before you do another one because you don't have all the information kind of order. So there's no set order like GEMDOS, but we're going to go ahead and give this a try. And we will spend more time practicing this, okay? So to simplify exponential expressions, which is basically just something with an exponent, we must follow the order of operations and work from the inside out. So basically the contradiction of what I just said. So we still follow it, like we work from the inside out. That's the extent. But there's not like we do law 1 first and then law 2. Not that kind of order, but we just want to work inside out so we can get the full understanding of what we're doing. So let's try an example. So here we got h squared times h to the 7th to the 0. So this is what it means. We cannot go ahead and just add these exponents because this exponent is not really 7. It's going to change because of the 0. So we want to work from the inside. So anything with parentheses we want to deal with first. So what we're going to do is take care of this h to the 7th to the 0. Now, when it's like this is a power of a power. We're going to go ahead and multiply it. I just split it up so you guys can see the difference. We go ahead and multiply the 7 and the 0, and we get h to the 0. So, two ways you can do it. You can go ahead and be like, oh, h to the 0. Nope, not that way. You could do, oh, the same base being multiplied. I can add them together. So 2 plus 0 just gives you 2. You get h squared. The other way is you can, oh, h to the 0, that's just 1. So you replace it, you get h squared times 1, which is just h squared. Okay? So you are going to go ahead and try this one on your own. I would work within the parentheses first before trying to do anything. So try this on your own. You just need to simplify it. It is quite a few laws of exponents. Alright? Well, it's really just the same one being applied different places. So give that a try. We'll go over the answer next class. So this one, we're going to go ahead and try. So this is a lot of stuff going on, a lot of negative exponents, and that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and simplify, and we're going to get rid of all these negative exponents. So the very first thing I'm going to do is distribute this 3 to the m and to the n. Okay? You can keep the parentheses, you can get rid of them. I decided to keep them just because I felt like it. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is get rid of the negatives. Now you could have dealt with these negatives beforehand. It wouldn't have affected the m and the n. It wouldn't affect the negative 3 either. So, like I said, the order how you do this doesn't really affect anything. There's no set order. Let's do that. No set order. So, the k has a negative exponent, the p has a negative exponent. So that's 2 warning lights telling you they're in the wrong place. So the k actually belongs on the denominator, and the p actually belongs in the numerator. So when I rewrite this, the negative 3, the m, and the n all stay in the numerator. And now we're going to put the p there and make it positive. The k is going to move to the denominator by itself, and it's going to be made to a positive exponent as well. And that's as far as I can go because I don't have any same bases to add or subtract exponents with. And that's as far as I can go. So last one is this one where you're going to find the missing exponent. So go ahead and give that one a try. That one should be pretty easy. So this was a very short video because there's not a lot of like procedural stuff you can do. This is more of a practice thing. So we will be practicing this a lot in class. There's stuff on 10 marks that you can practice. It's already there on 10 marks if you want to go ahead and give it a look. The jam session on 10 marks is there where it just like choop, 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 just gives you a bunch of practice. But yeah, that's it. Less than a 5-minute video. I don't know what else to talk about, but if you have any questions, I'll answer them next class. Other than that, that's it. See you guys later.